How's it going, everybody? Alex here with Patrick Cadillac, and we've got some big news for you. As you can probably see behind me, kind of maybe in this region over here, we are under construction. So today I'm going to take some time on this beautiful spring day here in Schaumburg. We are still open for sales, service, and parts here at Patrick Cadillac. So come with me. I'm going to give you guys a little campus tour so you know where you're going. So on Higgins Road here, you'll see this sales entrance, which is going to be right by the Patrick Volvo Cars entrance. This is where you're going to enter for the sales entrance. Drive up here in front of Patrick Volvo Cars, go all the way down this way to get to the sales trailer, and I'll show you that right now. As you guys can see here in front of the sales trailer, we've got customer parking. So right behind me is the sales trailer. You can see the big sign we got right over here to point you in the right direction. Let's take a look inside and see what's happening. As we're walking up the little ramp here, you can see this is also the finance office. So anything you need finance related, you can come over here. We're gonna go up the ramp real quick, and as we walk into the sales office here, this is the sales office. Say hi, everyone.
Hello. Hey, welcome to Patrick Cadillac.
So as you can see when you first drive up here on Mall Drive, you're gonna see this sign that says service only entrance over here. There's a sign right here that says sales with an arrow pointing in that direction. So when we go in here for service, you're gonna notice there's this big banner up here that says enter here for Cadillac service. As you come up in the service drive here, we got this sign that says enter here for Cadillac service. We got the 24-hour drop box right over here as well if you need to drop off your keys for after-hours service. And then you drive right through here. There's a sign right here that says stop here. On the other side says do not enter. Make sure if you're coming here for service, you come in through this direction. Follow that sign right there. So when you're in the service drive here, you're gonna see this sign that says stop here. So that's where you'll stop for service. And on the other side, it says do not enter. And then over here, we've got the exit sign, which will have you turn right here to exit onto Mall Drive, and you're good to go. In case you need a little more direction or in case you get lost, there's a little sign right here. This is service and parts this way. Service and parts are gonna be directly through this door, right through here. As you can see, as we get a little closer to the building, you can see the service hours are right here on the fence, and here is the door to enter to service and parts. As we come in here, this is where you'd go. Parts department here. Got your service advisors back here as well. We've also got the waiting room right back here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys liked the little campus tour that I gave you today with Patrick Cadillac being under construction. This is kind of going to be the setup. So if you have any questions, make sure to call. Make sure to visit patrickcadillac.com for more information, and we'll catch you guys next time.